from the north. We've also seen this swirl of cloud here heading up our way from the south. Now this is a weather front wrapped around a low pressure area, bringing some bursts of quite heavy and thundery rain. Now initially the first half of the day most of the rain stayed down in the Channel Islands and just along parts of the south coast, and then things started to get moving. We saw some more wet weather gathering just ahead of that. If we get closer in, we can see the Chilterns helped to set off some of this rain, and as it's tracked westwards across the South Midlands, it started to turn thundery. Now that thundery rain is heading across towards South Wales and slide down through the southwest of England, and more wet weather arriving in London and the southeast. So a wet end to the day across many southern and southeastern counties up into parts of the South Midlands and East Anglia. But by and large, by the end of the night, the heaviest of the rain will have slid away and there'll just be light and patchy rain left. A fair amount of low cloud beginning to envelop these northern and eastern coastal districts once again, and a little bit of drizzle and some fog for the hills is what we can expect there by the end of the night. For southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England, mostly fine and dry, North Wales too, just a little misty and one or two isolated fog patches. A little cooler in these areas, overnight temperatures not dropping below double figures further south with the cloud around, and still breezy down in these southern regions too. In fact, that's going to be quite a feature of tomorrow's weather again, that northeasterly breeze certainly making its presence felt around parts of the east coast, and quite breezy and gusty winds down to the south. That's between the high and the low pressure. It'll be moving away, that low though, so we should see things drying up and brightening up over these more southern counties of England and Wales during Tuesday. Certainly some rain around, that patchy stuff first thing in the morning, and it'll still be raining probably by lunchtime in the Channel Islands. Elsewhere, the sunshine beginning to struggle through, perhaps still the odd shower, light one, left in the southeast of England. This greyness around the eastern and northern coast coming and going, and the odd shower. The brightest weather, I've seen it today from northwest England, Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, where it will feel just as warm as it did today. Remember, those breezes still around, but the wind easing off through Wednesday. A lot of dry